This is a brief tutorial on the setup process for Eniture Technologies' collection of small package quotes plugins for WooCommerce. At the conclusion of the tutorial, a brief demonstration will be presented showcasing parcel rates on the WooCommerce cart and checkout pages. This video is not a substitute for the user's guide, which is located on the Documentation tab of the Product Information page at Eniture.com. Refer to the user's guide that is specifically for the parcel carrier to take full advantage of the plugin's extensive capabilities. The UPS version of the Small Package Quotes plugin will be used for this setup tutorial and demonstration. However, the video is germane to all of the parcel carriers for which Eniture Technology has a plugin. Begin by installing the plugin to your store. Go to Eniture.com, navigate to Products, WooCommerce, and click on the badge for the plugin you want to install. Click the Free Trial button or a button for one of the paid plans that appear on the Features tab. After you register, you'll receive an email with your plugin API key. You'll also gain access to the Eniture Technology Customer Portal, where you can retrieve and manage your API key and download the plugin installation file. Download the plugin installation file. Use the WordPress admin menu to navigate to Plugins, Add New Plugin. Click the Upload Plugin button. Choose the plugin installation file, and then click the Install Now button. Afterward, click the link to activate the plugin. You can also install the plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. To do so, instead of clicking the Upload Plugin button, search for the plugin by name, and then click the Install Now button. If you install the plugin from the WordPress plugin directory, you will still need to follow the steps to obtain the plugin API key. Obtain the API credentials required to connect the plugin to your shipping account. Consult the plugin's user's guide for instructions on how to get your API credentials from the carrier. After the API credentials are in your possession, use the WordPress admin menu to navigate to WooCommerce Settings. Click on the tab for the plugin. Click on Connection Settings in the plugin's navigation menu. This is where you'll connect the plugin to your shipping account. Enter the credentials, save the settings, and then test the connection. If you don't see an alert verifying that the test was successful, then the plugin is not connected to your account. Resolve this before continuing. Click on the Quote Settings link. The Quote Settings page contains the settings that govern the plugin's behavior. There are numerous settings, and the user's guide should be consulted carefully while making the selections. Enable the ground, second-day, and next-day air saver services. Scroll to the section with the heading, Package Rating Method when standard box sizes isn't in use. Select the option, Quote each item as shipping as its own package. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Next, click on the Warehouses tab. The plugin supports two types of shipping origins, warehouses and dropship locations. These are discussed fully in the user's guide. For the purpose of this tutorial, add a warehouse. Enter the warehouse's postal code. The city and state should populate automatically. If there are options, select the correct one from the drop-down. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Add the plugin to a shipping zone. Use the WordPress admin menu to navigate to WooCommerce Settings. Choose the tab for Shipping. Edit the shipping zone. Click on the Add Shipping Method button. Select the plugin and click Continue. Enable the plugin and then click Save. Now, enter the shipping parameters for a product. Using the WordPress admin menu, hover over Products and select All Products. Choose to edit a product from your catalog. Scroll down and access its shipping settings. Enter a weight and dimensions. Leave the shipping class set to No Shipping Class. Update the product for the changes. The plugin is now able to provide shipping rates for this product. View the product on the front end of the website. Add it to the cart. Proceed to the checkout page, and enter a commercial address for the ship-to address. The reason for a commercial address will be evident later in the video. The plugin will present rates for the parcel services enabled on its quote settings page. Now we'll install two popular add-on plugins that extend the plugin's functionality: the Residential Address Detection plugin and the Standard Box Sizes plugin. The Residential Address Detection plugin verifies the type of address used for the ship-to address and includes it when requesting shipping rates from the carrier. If the address is residential, the carrier will include its fees related to residential delivery in the rate responses. When the Residential Address Detection add-on is not used, the plugin will always identify the address as commercial or always as residential, depending on the choice made on the quote settings page. The Standard Box Sizes plugin allows you to identify the boxes stocked for shipping. Its algorithm evaluates the boxes to determine the best packaging solution for the cart and uses it to obtain rates from the carrier. The packaging solution is saved as a graphical illustration with the order. The Standard Box Sizes plugin yields the most accurate parcel quotes possible because it accounts for how parcel carriers identify billable weight as the greater of actual or dimensional weight. To learn more about how parcel shipping providers determine the billable charges for a package, refer to their service guides or the information that is available in Eniture Technologies knowledge base. When the Standard Box Sizes add-on is not used, the plugin identifies the packaging for the cart according to the selection made on the quote settings page in the section Package Rating Method when Standard Box Sizes isn't in use. There is a nominal cost associated with using each of the add-on plugins. However, the return on investment is substantial. For example, the cost of using the Residential Address Detection add-on ranges from 1 to 5 cents per verified address, depending on the selected plan. Meanwhile, in 2025, the additional cost for shipping to a residential address was $6.10 for UPS Ground and $6.55 for UPS US Domestic Air Services. Correctly identifying a residential address just once more than pays for the monthly cost of the Residential Address Detection plugin. To install the add-on plugins, go to Eniture.com, hover over Products, and pick WooCommerce from the list. Both add-on plugins will appear towards the bottom of the page. Click on the tile for either one, and then click its download button. Use the WordPress admin menu to navigate to Plugins, Add Plugin. Click the Upload Plugin button, navigate to the downloaded installation file, and install it. After it's installed, click its Activate link. Repeat these steps for the other add-on plugin if you also want to install it. After installing the Residential Address Detection plugin, a new tab will appear in the navigation menu of the Small Package Quotes plugin. It will be labeled RAD. Click on it to access its settings. Select a plan, and then scroll down to the section Default Unconfirmed Addresses. Choose to default unconfirmed addresses to residential, and to disclose the address type to the visitor when it is residential. After Standard Box Sizes is activated, Box Sizes will appear as a tab in the navigation menu of the Small Package Quotes plugin. Click on it to access its settings. Choose a plan. Select the option to minimize the number of packages as the optimization mode. Use the Add Box button to add the boxes you stock. For this tutorial, a small, medium, and large box will be defined. To take full advantage of the Standard Box Sizes feature, return to the Product Shipping Parameters. Click on the tab for Shipping, and then scroll down to the section titled Standard Box Sizes Settings. Enable the Allow Vertical Rotation setting. This gives the packaging algorithm the most flexibility when determining which box is the best choice for the shipment. Update the product settings, return to the front end of the website, and proceed to the checkout page with this product in the cart. Use the same commercial address as before. The quoted rates will be different. They will reflect the parcel carrier's billable charges using the box selected for the shipment, instead of the weight and dimensions of the product itself. Now, on the checkout page, Replace the commercial address with a residential address. The plugin will automatically recognize the address type, and this time the shipping rates will include the carrier's fees for residential delivery. This concludes the setup tutorial and a demonstration of parcel shipping rates appearing on the WooCommerce checkout page. Install the plugin and use the user's guide to implement it on your store.